So this is our room, and you can kind of see the sea from here. First impressions? I'm obsessed. My inner child is living. I would have been so happy here when I was younger. Have you been practicing your Spanish? Hola, ¿cómo estás? No hablo español. Good morning, guys. So today is day 1 of my Ibiza birthday trip. My birthday is 5 days away, so it's the 31st of May today. And we're just gonna explore around where we're staying. So we're staying in Escana, and we're right by the beach in a hotel called Leonardo Royal. And it looks out at the beach, and you just walk down and you can kind of swim and stuff. So we did that in the morning, the first thing, but now we got dressed up and we're gonna go to Santa Eulària, and we're just gonna like get some food and maybe we could swim, we'll see. But it's gonna be more of a chill first day before we start going out and going to more parties later in the week. So we took a half-hour walk up to the church. So beautiful up here. This church is called the Puig de Missa. It's a 16th century fortress that protected from pirates, and it's definitely worth seeing in Santa Eulària. We just got back, and it was kind of ironic that we went to a church on our first day in Ibiza, but it was actually so beautiful, and it was nice to actually see the local town and the more cultural stuff, which I didn't really think about when coming here, because our last trip to Morocco was so different. It was so focused on the culture, but here obviously it's a much more commercial party vibe, and we're definitely going to get to the party part. But it was actually, I love that irony of just going to a church on your first day. There were these guys on the plane that were saying they're going to need to go to a church at the end of their trip. And yeah, we're not going to go that crazy, but it was like we actually got that part started. And it was such a beautiful place. It's actually really underrated, the stuff to do here. If you don't party, there's actually so many things that you can do. And no one really talks about that, or at least I didn't know about that. And we're going to go out like a bit, but it's also more of like a relaxing holiday, because the last holiday we had was just very tourist, and it was a lot more about sightseeing. Obviously it's Morocco with so much rich culture, but there is culture here too, so I'm glad that we saw that part today. And I love how a lot of the workers actually just start speaking to us in Spanish. I don't know if it's because we don't look English, which most of the people here are. Tomorrow we're probably going to do an island trip, but tonight we're just going to like shower because it's so hot. I'm literally sweating so much, but can't wait to finally start with the more like exciting things, but trying to also remind myself that we can just relax and it's okay to have a more casual, just like relaxing trip too. So gonna go shower now and we'll start a new day tomorrow. It's day 2 and we're going to the island Formentera. Restaurant called YSL in Formentera. We haven't eaten the whole day, but we finally ordered a paella, and my sister got from the kids menu a hamburger because it's actually a bit pricey here, like pricier than the actual like island. But I was also surprised that the food is coming pretty quick, so yay! We're finally gonna get back soon. It was like an hour and a half. It wasn't, I even heard half an hour. It's day 3 and we're just having a much more chill day. I'm gonna just do some work and catch up with stuff like emails, and they're downstairs at the pool. I'll probably go later, but it's such a nice day today. So beautiful here at the W Hotel. We got a drink here instead and are doing another chill night because we finally bought tickets to Tomorrowland and to a boat party for my birthday, so we want to save ourselves for then. We're exploring our hotel today before we finally make it to Ibiza, and it's just been a really good 2 days. I love how not many people here speak English, which is the opposite of what I thought. And we've gotten to practice our Spanish a little bit. Not that it's that great for me, but... This is the fit check for Ibiza town. I got this dress as a gift for my birthday 2 years ago, and I've only worn it once to the weekend concert. And I got these earrings from Morocco a few weeks ago, And I don't know if we're even gonna go to a bar, but I just wanted to make use of all of the clothes that I brought because it's looking like I'm not gonna be able to wear most of them. But it just, this dress, I'm obsessed. It's day 5 and tomorrow's my birthday, but we're going to Ushuaïa tonight to see Tomorrowland and to greet my birthday there in Ibiza, and tomorrow it'll be a boat party, so can't wait to finally relax after doing a bit of work this week. But now I'm gonna go to the pool for my break.
Some carry the weight of ages, echoing from places far beyond us. Gently.
Happy birthday! Yay! Happy birthday! Thanks! We literally got out of the taxi in the first second that it turned 00 on the 5th of June. It was perfect timing.
Yes.
After Ushuaïa. And I cannot wait to get back. Look at the moon. It's my birthday. Happy birthday!
To the winner of the 2025 Oscar.
The Pulitzers and Oscars. Yay! Happy birthday. literally didn't know if I can drink anymore, but it's so cute.
Time to
We're gonna make use of this.
Time to pop it open.
Happy birthday.